Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Well, not really an unboxing video because this is a shoe I bought in 2020 and I forgot all about it. So this is the Nike Fly by Mid basketball shoe, 10.5 US, UK 9.5. Okay, so I bought it and I promptly forgot about it. So as I mentioned, it's not really an unboxing, but I've never worn it. So this is the shoe from the side, from the front, and from the back. It's got some sparkly things going on. So it's got a nylon mesh and leather. So I'm not sure where it's made. Let's see. Made in India. It's quite light. Okay, I'll put it on. Oh, forgot. There's something inside. Very difficult as I'm holding my camera with one hand. Okay, there's something stuffed in there. Yeah, it's paper. Okay, let's see.